Katch App. So here is basically you can follow someone on Instagram, and when you're following someone, you can track all their followers and unfollowers and who this account recently followed, guys, girls, others, 15 girls, 22 guys. So here's basically the idea of the app. Recent follow tracker, get notified when they follow someone, track multiple accounts, secure and private, track new follows and unfollows. Number one recent follow tracker on Instagram. And then that's the idea. You can get notifications. And then, yeah, you can see instantly how it works. $40 per year, 1 month, $10 per month, 1 week, $4 per week. And this is just what you have in here. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And as you just need to log in with your Instagram account, and your Instagram account should follow someone who you want to track, and then you enter that person here in the list. So that's kind of the idea. So try it out.